Iraq has witnessed a dramatic decline in water availability, and the topic of climate change and shared water resources have been an ongoing concern for the region. Sulaimani Forum aims to bring together experts and scholars from the region as well as from the international community to come together and overcome these challenges and tackle the issues and find innovative solutions to these problems.
From the academic view, the importance of Sulaimani Forum reflects on our academic calendar. During the event, we have paused all of our academic activities because we believe that we would like to offer a chance to our students to be part of this incredible event.
The Sulaimani Forum at AUIS offers a unique opportunity to discuss vital legal matters in Iraq and the Middle East with policymakers, analysts, and civil society leaders. These discussions on conflict resolution and peace building provide valuable insight into international law, human rights, and diplomacy.
Sulaimani Forum provides a platform to a group of diverse experts to convene and address the recent upheavals in the Middle East following October 7th in Gaza. It is significantly impactful for our younger generation and the youth to join in on these conversations, not only because they're related to decision makings, but also to meet important key figures.